In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create dashboards in Canva, a process that's fun, intuitive, and incredibly rewarding. Many of us are familiar with Canva's versatile platform for creating eye-catching designs, but today we're focusing specifically on making dashboards that will help you visualize data in a compelling way. To get started, first log into your Canva account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the search bar and type in Dashboard. This is your first step towards unlocking a world of templates that Canva has ready and waiting for you. Imagine it like window shopping in a delightful digital store. You'll see an array of stunning options lined up, just waiting for you to choose from. As you begin typing, you'll notice suggestions popping up. These guide you directly to the dashboard templates, ensuring you won't get lost in the extensive library of Canva's design options. Now that you've entered the dashboard section, it's time to browse through the selection. Take your time and look through the available templates. They range from minimalistic to vivid and dynamic designs, allowing you to choose one that fits both the aesthetic and functionality you're aiming for. Think carefully about the data you'll be showcasing and who your presentation is intended for. A well-chosen template can significantly enhance your audience's understanding and engagement with your data. Once you've found a template that resonates with you, it's time to make it your own by clicking on Customize this template. This will open the template within Canva's editing interface, where the real magic begins. Here, you have the opportunity to modify every detail of the template to ensure it perfectly aligns with your data and the story you want to tell. With your template open, you're ready to dive into editing. This is where you personalize the dashboard by adding your data and adjusting the layout as needed. It's a chance to change the color scheme, fonts, and visuals to match your brand or personal style. Canva's user-friendly tools make this customization process straightforward. Simply click on elements to change them, drag and drop items to rearrange them, and use the toolbar at the top to tweak settings like color and size. As you edit, keep the key points you want to highlight in mind, ensuring they stand out effectively. You want your dashboard to be not only informative, but also visually appealing and captivating to hold your audience's attention. And that's it. After some creative tweaking and a bit of data finesse, you'll have a personalized dashboard ready to impress. Whether you're presenting in a boardroom or sharing insights with your team, your Canva dashboard will now effectively communicate the data story you're eager to tell. So dive in and start creating, and watch as your data transforms into a visual masterpiece.